Jamaica, let me remind you of the 4E plan to grow our economy and to improve the quality of life for all Jamaicans. First, education. We're going to reform education to ensure that every child leaves primary school being literate and numerate. Second, on energy, we're going to bring down the cost of energy by adding more renewables to the grid so that you can not depend on heavy fuel oil. Third, efficiency. We're going to make government services more efficient and effective. We're going to remove the bureaucracy. We're going to make procurement easier so we can spend our capital budget. Fourth, the emerging economies. We're going to ensure that we put in place a fund for the cultural and creative industries so that the musicians, the artists, the potters, the painters, they can access money to grow their businesses. And the fifth and the final one is ethics. We have to have a government led by ethical leadership, someone with integrity, someone with clean hands and a pure heart. The People's National Party will provide that leadership. So remember the 5 E's, the 5 ways that we're going to grow your economy to make the quality of life better for you and your family.